Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Today we have a wonderful teacher. We were just speaking to her about, the effects of the pandemic on the children and the schooling system. You probably know about a few, but it's surprising to hear how deeply the pandemic has affected our Jamaican children. Could you start off with introducing yourself, please?
All right. Good morning, everybody. My name is Lady Murdock,
Mm-hmm.
parents counselor
Mm-hmm.
at the Mountain Primary Infant School.
Mm-hmm.
And as you have said that, unfortunately, the pandemic is here and it has significantly affected our children. We have seen where a lot of our children have been experiencing severe brain loss, learning loss,
Mm-hmm.
and not only do they are they performing lower than their grade level, they are also being affected in different ways.
Mm-hmm.
We have seen where the pandemic has caused a lot of the parents to be unemployed, and therefore they are not able to provide for the children basic needs. And so from time to time, the need for food and other necessities are there. We have seen wherein now that we are face to face in this program with the children, we have seen where a lot of them are really in need of some social intervention, and more so the face to face, right? We have seen children who were performing much better in a year time before now.
Yeah.
They are performing way below their grade level.
Yeah.
Right? We have identified some children who are so they are performing so low that they are having challenges even identifying basic letters, and they are not comprehending well. And I've seen also that the pandemic has impacted them socially, where they are now feeling that they are cooped up in the house, and they can't get to take the chance to socialize and to even prevent what is happening to them.
Yeah.
So I'm just hoping that this pandemic will go away soon enough, so that we can return to face-to-face learning. And of course, I know definitely that the children learning will improve significantly.
Yeah.
I believe that this program is really helpful to help them now so that they can come out and they can interact with each other. They keep also mindful that we have to understand that social distancing is a must, but they have benefited tremendously from this program.
Yeah, and the program she's talking about is called Super Kids, under Great Shape. So it's a great foundation, it's a great humanitarian project, and we have seen the kids benefit tremendously from this and get a first-hand look into how they're affected by the pandemic. Now we're seeing more than ever that teachers are crucial and that you guys do a lot, because since I've been in the program myself, it's not just teaching, it's counseling, it's being even friend to the
There
students.
for them in every way possible. And my job really is to provide them with their psychosocial support. And so at this time it's challenging because even though you do the online thing,
Yeah.
I don't think it would be as effective as if we were face to face.
Yeah.
And so I'm feeling privileged to be here, to interact with these children face to face, and ensuring that at least a few of them can have a better mindset.
Okay, and let's just get right into how can we help? How can Jamaicans abroad or those who are supporters of our channel help?
Okay. So our children, you guys are helping now by sharing the information. That's one. But for those who in the diaspora who wants to help our children who are in need, of course they can make contact with the school through donations. They can come and give their physical support. Of course, the pandemic is on, so we have to be mindful of that. But you can help in different ways. The need is there.
Yeah.
They need the physical things, they need food, they need clothing, they need assistance with learning materials, anything, especially with tablets and stuff like that, because a lot of our children are not able to go online.
Yes.
Right? Because of shortage of tablets and learning devices.
Yeah.
So we will appreciate whatever can be given. Of course, we are getting some help We really appreciate those who help, but the need is still there.
And what's the contact number?
Well, for the school, you have to make contact with the principal, Mrs. Karen Mackenzie. I don't know if I can give her number.
Oh, it's okay. We'll list the contact details in the description. So guys, as you can see, it has tremendously affected our children. If you can help, please do. They need the tablets, they need the food, they need the clothing, they need to continue learning, because as Miss pointed out, is that a lot of them who were performing well has fell below par due to the pandemic, not getting the assistance they need. Some kids don't have no internet though. No internet.
And we have to sometimes provide them with data. So even though they might have a device, when it comes, because a lot of parents are out of jobs, they are not able to provide the weekly data, so the children can, get access to the online classes. Therefore, sometimes we do have to provide that. It can be challenging at times. So that also can be arranged. We have a fund where we put some funds there to assist children with data.
Okay. And since we've been here, we've been at the school for 2 weeks with the kids. What improvements have you seen that they have the learning experience face to face and so forth?
The children are very enthused about coming to this program. I have seen tremendous improvements in some students. In fact, all of them have seen improvements in whether it's emotional, whether it is the physical learning. But I must mention that there are 3 students in particular who are performing at a level that I think is a kindergarten level. And through the intervention of these persons, these volunteers who have given their time and talent and patience, we have seen students recognizing letters.
That's great.
Being able to write it properly.
Yeah.
Being able to comprehend.
Yeah.
And I think they look forward to coming each day to get the IT, to get some literacy going, some storytelling going, some artwork going. They have come for the physical activity too, the games. And so I think this program, a lot of them express that they would want to have it continue for a month.
For a whole month.
Whether we know the cost and everything. I just want to say thanks to all the persons who have worked hard in this program. Sandals Foundation for transportation and providing of lunches. The children thought it's the best they have ever had. For the volunteers who have given their time and their talents and their resources to come and help our children, we say thank you. For those who have just come just to impact our children in a time like this, what a great hope. I just want to express that you continue doing it. To you, Ms. Latoya, for sharing stories with them, sharing your own creativity in terms of your work with them. I tell you, we just say hats off and thanks so much.
And thank you, Miss, for sharing with us. Alright guys, so that's it. Do remember to help out as much as you can. You can through certain organizations that we have here already, such as Great Shape, the Super Kids program. You can also probably give to Sandals Foundation, or link the school and message them and let them know how you can help. It's very crucial that we help our children. They are the present and the future, and our help matters. Every child matters, and if you can do something, no matter how small it is, to help a child, then that's great. Because guys, we see the results just by being here and talking to them and helping them with reading and different areas. They have tremendously improved. So your contribution will help, even if it's one child. If you can donate a tablet, please do, because they don't have the access to education like that. And contact the school. The details are in the description below. We really encourage you to contact the school and work in partnership with them. So I hope you were inspired by this video and get a little insight as to what's happening in Jamaica as it relates to education. And we're looking forward to talking to you again. Bless up, stay upful. Until next time, take care.